guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to fetch message history. So let's go to chat box component ts. Let's add function load more message, and let's declare first of all private page number. Let's assign 2 by default, and here inside load more message let's say this dot page number. Let's increment page number by 1, and let's call this dot chat service dot load more messages, and let's pass here page number, and let's go to chat box component html, and here let's bind click event load more message. Okay, let's log in our application, and let's go to this test user. Let's click this one. Now we have here okay. Let's click load more. We can see hi and old message fetched here. Let's make is loading true when we click load more button. So let's go to chat service.ts, and here let's make this dot is loading dot update. Let's make it true, and let's go to load message, and here let's make this dot is loading dot update. Let's make it true, save it, go to browser, click this one. Now we can see here loading indicator, so beautiful. Now let's make smooth scroll when load more button. Go to chat box component html, and here let's add here template reference variable chat box. Go to chat box component ts, and here let's add here view child chat box, and add here read element ref public chat box of type element ref. Let's make it capital V, and let's go to chat service, and here enabled equal to signal of type boolean, and let's pass by default true, and go to chat box component ts, and here let's implement here after view checked. Let's implement it, control dot and enter. Let's cut it from here and paste here. Let's check if this dot chat service dot auto scroll enabled. Then let's define one function. Define here function. Let's say scroll bottom to bottom. This dot chat service dot auto scroll enabled dot set true, and here this dot chat box dot native element dot scroll to. Let's pass here object top this dot chat box dot native element dot scroll height, and let's add here behavior smooth. Let's call this function here this dot scroll bottom. Let's save it, go to browser. Now let's click this user. Let's go to browser. Now let's click this test user. Beautiful. Now we can see here scroll end. So let's implement another function. When we click load more, let's scroll top. So let's go to chat box component ts, and here let's define function. Let's copy this one for now, paste here. Let's make it false, give this 0 for top, and let's call scroll top here this dot scroll top. Save it, go to browser and test here. Let's click load more. Beautiful. Now we can see here scroll top. For simulating delay, we can use here some delay chathub.cs. Here we can see 1000 milliseconds. So for now let's remove this one. Let's send message here hi. Don't see here message in our screen, but we have message here in at the end here. So let's implement this scroll bottom when send message. So let's go to chat window component ts. Here let's add view child, give name chat box, and let's say chat container which type is element ref. So let's add here private method scroll bottom. Let's say if we have this dot chat container, then this dot chat container dot native element dot scroll top equal to, let's say, this dot chat container dot native element dot scroll height. Save it and let's call this one here, this dot scroll bottom. Save it, go to browser, let's click this one. By default we can see scroll down, so let's go to up and send here message. Let's send message hello. So let's click this one, we can see here message.